Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this beautiful dress. As you can see, the dress is going to have a small gathers on it, and the button is going to have small gathers also. It's a trendy dress that you need to learn how to cut and sew on your own. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Please watch this video to the end.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a trendy dress with gather at the bottom down. So this is the fabric, very beautiful. So and to have a gather sleeve, also a smaller one. So what we are going to do now is the measurement. So starting with the measurement, we start with the length. The length is 37. So that is the length there. Now we'll mark it. So for this side that you are seeing me doing is the shoulder now. So you divide your shoulder into 2 by 2, so you will get your shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 14, and that is the half length of the dress that we are making. The half length is 15, so that is the half length there. So now we'll start with the measurement proper. That is the neck measurement. So I'm marking the neck by 3 and bringing it down is by 2. So I don't want it to come down at all, so you want to go up. So that is the length now. So we'll mark it 2. So you curve it. It's a round neck that we are making. So that is the round neck that I'm chalking there now. So after that, now what next? We'll start with the body measurement now. So now you also slope it, that is bringing it by 1 inch. So I'm sloping the armhole side, that is the body now, that is the armhole side. So we start with the measurement now proper, that is the armhole. I'm marking 7.5. so on that line, that is where we'll now get our body measurement. So we do the body measurement. Divide your body measurement, that is the bust, you divide it by 4. The bust is 38, so you divide 38 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 9.5. so that is 9.5. After marking that 9.5, you add your allowance on it. The allowance that I adding there now is 1.5 also, so you mark it. So done with the bust measurement there now. So now is the armhole side that I'm trying to measure to see what is there now. So you bring it by that 7.5 that I chalked already. So that's what I'm doing there now. So to curve it out. So can you see how it is now that I'm curving it out for you to see? So after that is the waist measurement now. So the waist measurement is 30. You divide 30 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 7.5. So on that 7.5, you mark. After marking, you add your allowance also. So that is the allowance, marking 1.5 on it. So I don't want it to be too shaped. So what we'll just do, just bring it down to your hip measurement. So the hip measurement is 40, and you divide your 40 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 10. So I'm marking 10 on that line for the hip, and add your seam allowance. So the sewing allowance there. So you now connect from the bust, you connect to the waist side. So from the waist, you connect it down to the hip, because the downside is that the hip line. So you connect it, and the measurement is done. So it's ready for us to cut out. So that is it. That is the front side of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So it's the neck that I'm cutting now. So after cutting the neck, you cut the shoulder side, that you slope it. So that is the shoulder side that I'm also cutting there now. So that is it. So remember, the style we are making is trendy dress with gather at the down side of it. So that is it. And it will also have a small sleeve that will also have gathers also. So that is the side of it that I'm cutting out now. Watch my video, comment, make a comment, share it to a friend. So that is it now. So I'm cutting the body side of the dress that we are making. You can see how beautiful the material is. I bet you this style will come out very good. So that is it now. So I'm cutting it out. So we're done with the cutting for the front side. So after that, what next? It's just for us to also lay the back side and also cut out. So we'll use the front to cut it out and also add our zip allowance for it, and that is the back because it has a zip. So that is the front side of it that we have done now. We've cut it out. So I will lay it now to the back side of it. So see, this is the back and this is the front side that I've used to lay it and to have zip allowance. So the zip allowance that I'm adding there is 1.5. So I will mark 1.5 throughout down to the length of this gown that we are making, this dress. So 1.5 is what I'm marking there now. So I'm chalking it out for you to see. So that is the chalking there that I'm making. So after that, just for us to cut out from the front that we use already to cut it. So that is the back side of it that I'm doing there now. So after that, remember, we also have that gather. So also gather the one that we stitched down to complete our length of our dress. So that is the front now that I've laid it. So I'm bringing the back neck with 1 inch. It's 1 inch that I'm bringing it down. So that is the back side of it. You know, it's a flower chiffon, so I'm placing it well not to shift. So that is it now. So we're done with it now. So I will cut now. So I will start from the next side and cut. So that is the side now that I want to cut. So I'm chalking it with that 1 inch that will bring down at the neck. So that is the back now. So I'm rolling it, I'm cutting it now. So now is the cutting of the back. So remember, what we are making is a trendy dress with gathers at the downside of it. So that is what I'm going to do today now. So this is the material, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please watch my video to the end, make a comment. So that is it now. So I'm cutting the side of it now. So this is the cutting side and this is the back one that we are cutting, using the front to cut it out. So that is it now. So cut it. So it's the armhole side that I want to cut now. So I'm cutting the armhole. So can you see how it is and how it has come out? So that is the cutting now. So we have done it. So after that, it's just for us to open the back zip. So that is it now. So can you see how it is? So I will cut the zip side now. So that is the fabric, very lovely. So that is the cutting side now. So after that, now just for us to start with our gathers now. So what I done there is 4.5 is the width, and we have gathered it now. So I've taken it to the machine and stitched and gathered it out. So it's ready. So now is the sleeve, a smaller sleeve that we also have small gathers on it. So that is the sleeve side of it. So we'll gather it and it's ready. So you stitch it on the body of the style that we are making, that is the dress. So that is the style now that's come out. Very lovely, very beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, make a comment, tell a friends, watch it to the end. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye. So that is the end of this dress. So beautiful. Thank you. Bye bye.